should be undertaken with adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Always be nice to your friends. You don't have to. Hello, hello, Cherry, where are you? Come outside with us. It's such a pretty day. Let's go and play. Okay, I'm on my way. A choo-choo, give me a kiss. Ow, I'm feeling this. Your lips are so fine. Na 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 na, baby, you're mine. Mwah, 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 mwah. This is the sound of my kiss. Mwah, 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 mwah. Please, please call the police. Mwah, 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 mwah. This is the sound of my kiss. Mwah, 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 mwah. Please, please call the police. Oops.
Oh no! Oh!
Oh dear, blue, it's far along. Green, she is coming you over.
Yellow. Orange. Red.
Hey girl!
Ew.
Oh!
Let's go. Yeah. Woo-hoo-hoo.
Oh no!
I want to be a driver. Choo-ga, choo-ga, choo-choo-choo. Delivering some food to you. Choo-ga, choo-ga, choo-choo-choo. Choo-choo-choo-choo. Clickety-clack. Choo-ga, choo-ga, choo-choo-choo.
Wow!
Riding a super train, yeah, yeah.
Good job!
Circle, triangle, square and rectangle. 4 of my bestest buddies. And now you can create your very own tip-top shapes pencil toppers. You can make any of the shapes you like, but I'm going to show you how to make our friend square. First, take a ball of air drying clay and use your hands to push it down and flatten it. Then use a lollipop stick and cut into the clay to make the straight edges of your shape. Now take a pencil and very carefully push it into the bottom of the shape. Let it dry, and once it's dry, paint your shape any colour you like. This one is blue because I'm making square. Draw on a smile, stick on 2 googly eyes and pop your pencil back in. It's ready!
A shape!
Want to make something to impress your friends? Well, do not worry, because this realistic looking donut made from a sock will be just the thing. Excuse me. Take this call. Hello? What? You want to hear all about it? Well, don't worry, I'll give you a ring. I'll give you a ring. That's a ring. Oh, come on. First, take a sock and turn over the open end like this. Very carefully, cut the toe end off the sock. Now add cotton wool balls under your folded edge, then fold the rest of the sock over the donut like this. Now push the rest of the sock through the hole. Add some decoration to your donut and then glue it on. Finally, dip a piece of wool into gloopy glue and stick this onto your donut. Wow, it looks good enough to eat. I have the most amazing firework display that you can make very easily. And this idea is so brilliant, you can make it any time of the year. Use a cardboard tube to create a city with an amazing fireworks display overhead. Grab a few small cardboard tubes. Very carefully cut slits into the tubes to create a firework stamp. Now dip your firework stampers into the paint. Use your painty stampers to print your fireworks onto a coloured piece of card. Grab a black piece of card the same width as your painting and cut out a silhouette. This shape could be a city skyline like London or Sydney, or maybe the shapes are watching your firework display. What a fantastic firework display!